My name's Dennis, I'm with Roost Vans, and we have a van that we're going to be showing today. The whole build starts with this mounting system. We secure this to the van itself. We use a rail system that is different than other van builders because we like to be able to attach and micro adjust. It actually gives you a lot of leverage to fine-tune exactly where you want your cabinetry mounted to. Cabinetry is designed and manufactured in a way where we can drop in a Dometic single or two burner sink combo. Our drawer cabinet, well, it's a set of drawers. Here's my most favorite part. On the bottom here, but there's a secret kick plate drawer that we install. So Roost Vans Upper Cabinetry is a DIY flat shippable product that can be installed into our mounting system. The cabinetry also allows for under cabinetry lighting as well. You can loosen up the mounting hardware and then slide this cabinetry anywhere you need to. Push button latches, kind of neat because it gives a meaning to button down the hatches before you leave. On these builds, then we also do our paneling system as well. We have bamboo paneling. We also have vinyl coin paneling and fabric wrapped paneling. We have a shippable standard mattress. It works really well with our flip up kit so that you can easily access things underneath the van. And it has an anti-slip bottom on all the panels. And then it is also hinged but seamed so that you don't fall in between the cracks. That flip up kit also works on the back side as well and gives you a nice opportunity to lean, have a couch ready to go. Now this bed system and mattress can be installed at about 36 inches of clearance so that you can get your bicycles in or any other storage needs. Went ahead and installed user lights so that one person can read while the other one goes to sleep. This van also has pill windows installed that open up for airflow, and we installed a ventilation fan close to the bed so you can get cross breeze. The mattress panels are individual. They have a zipper on the underside so that you can remove the panel and launder the mattress covers. This is a 1500 watt 12 volt power bank made by Goal Zero. All the power from outside available, such as the engine, the solar, and shore power, coming into this power panel. This is a Roost product that you can connect everything into. That can then be connected into your portable power bank via these Roost cables. You can charge the Yeti off the engine while you're driving. You can also charge it off of the solar up top while it's just sitting. And if you're plugged into your house, then you can charge off of your house as well. Removing the system is just as easy as installing it, and you can unplug. Notice the power went out, and now you can take the entire system with you. We have our switch panel that controls all the lighting up above as well as underneath the cabinets, and also the heater unit that is a diesel heater. It's a very efficient heater, cuts off whenever your diesel tank gets to about 3 gallons left. There's some other auxiliary controls here, such as the refrigerator that we'll go over here in a second. This cabinet has a storage area with a couple of adjustable shelves, a removable door if needed. So moving to the front of the van here, we have our passenger kitchen cabinet, and in this case we have a couple of storage drawers, perfect for your cutlery and plates. What I like particularly as well is our pull-out cooler shelf. As is a Dometic, pretty full-size Dometic cooler with heavy-duty drawer slides. Now this particular cooler allows you to hinge the lid both directions if you'd like. Closing the drawer, and one of my favorites is our outside shelf. You can sit and enjoy dinner or beer while you're outside the van. Locks into place with the adjustable latch and a small cubby for storage underneath as well. Our 36-inch bench is available as a 36, a 24-inch wide, or a 18-inch wide. This bench is available to have a lot of storage in this cavity and then an ultra deep storage in this rear cavity. We have a seat cushion with anti-slip bottom. It works extremely well. Both of these cushions are able to be unzipped and laundered. All these products mount to our mounting rail system and stay secure during use of the van. Well, thanks for coming and visiting Roost Vans' latest van. Visit us at roostvans.com.